Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can print W-2 in QuickBooks Desktop. So let's get started. First, make sure you have installed the most recent payroll tax table updates. This is very important for accurate tax calculations and compliance with the latest tax laws. Go to the Employees menu, then select Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s. From there, choose Process Payroll Forms. In the window that opens, click on File Forms and select W-2 Next, choose the filing period. This will usually be the current calendar year and click OK. Review all employee data carefully, including names, addresses, and social security numbers, to make sure everything is up to date. Make any corrections before continuing. QuickBooks will guide you through a few prompts to prepare your W-2 forms for printing. When you're ready, select the Print option and choose the type of forms you want to use, either standard W-2 forms or W-2 forms with a perforated stub. If you're using pre-printed forms, make sure they meet QuickBooks specifications so you don't run into alignment issues. Before printing the final forms, check that your printer is properly configured and aligned. QuickBooks gives you the option to print a sample form so you can test the alignment. Once everything looks good, go ahead and print your W-2 forms. It's a good idea to print an extra copy for your own records. After printing, distribute the W-2 forms to your employees by the required deadline, which is typically January 31st each year. You'll also need to submit a copy to the Social Security Administration. Be sure to keep accurate records of when and how the forms were distributed and submitted. Finally, consider using e-filing with the Social Security Administration. It's more efficient, secure, and can help reduce errors. QuickBooks supports e-filing, so completing this step is simple. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.